Hello guys. If your Portacable 20V battery is not charging or suddenly stopped working with your tools, it can be frustrating because everything may look perfectly fine from the outside. In many cases, this happens due to the battery's built-in protection system, which shuts it down when it detects issues like overheating, deep discharge, or irregular charging conditions. This safety feature is important, but it can make the battery seem completely dead. The good thing is that you can often reset the battery by following a simple process that allows it to recover and start charging again. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to reset your Portacable 25 battery and get it working again. Try these. Step 1. Remove the battery from the tool or charger completely. Step 2. Let the battery sit and cool down for a few minutes. Step 3. Place the battery securely onto the charger. Step 4. Allow it to charge for a short time, even if no lights appear. Step 5. Remove and reinsert the battery again to trigger reset. Step 6. Check if the battery starts charging or working normally.